Hi, I'm Chef Cindy. What if I told you there was a cooking method that produces high-quality food, helps reduce food waste, and minimizes food safety risk? If you could maximize customer satisfaction by offering all menu items for everyone, then you'd be interested, right? Well, I tell you, it's possible with batch cooking, also known as just-in-time for service. So why doesn't everyone cook this way? Ooh, fear of the clock, fear of running out of food with customers standing in line. Batch cooking is all about timing, and it takes planning and effort, but the payoff rewards you with more students to nourish. Take a look at our tips to batch cooking.
Batch cooking is broken down into 3 types: quick batch, small batch, and long batch. Quick batch is for products that you can easily cook in batches, such as steamed vegetables or pizza, during the service period. These foods cook in 5 to 20 minutes or during one meal period. You can easily determine if you're running low and prepare more before serving time is over. This method satisfies every reason to batch cook. Small batch is for products that you can change the preparation method in the last few minutes of serving to quickly cook small amounts and still maintain good quality. For example, heating food in a commercial microwave. In this example, rather than prepare a pan of 32 servings with 28 left over, 4 were prepared quickly without overproduction. Finally, long batch is for products where cooking time is longer and the length of serving time is longer than 2 to 2.5 hours. When this occurs, foods may be cooked in batches to preserve the quality of the food, even though you may not be able to react as precisely to customer demand for the product, meaning you need more or less food. For example, casseroles or baked potatoes may need to be prepared in 2 or 3 batches if you're serving from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. to prevent holding periods of over 3 hours, which can reduce the quality. After the first lunch period, you may have some insight into the demand, but not in the immediate way that quick batch allows. To speed quick batch of frozen vegetables, plan forecasted amount 1 day in advance in 2-inch perforated pans. Place inside a solid pan. Also, avoid overloading or using the wrong pan. 5 pounds of thawed corn heats in 3 to 4 minutes, where 10 pounds of frozen corn may take up to 20 minutes. Determine how long it takes to steam your thawed vegetables. Cooking times will vary according to equipment used. 10 to 20 minutes prior to service, place the first pan of vegetables in the steamer to cook. Prepare the anticipated amount for the first serving group. Repeat the process as needed. Using a cycle menu makes planning more reliable. When stir-frying or cooking on an action station, consider blanching larger pieces of vegetables, such as broccoli or cauliflower, in the steamer a day ahead. Immediately chill florets on a sheet pan in the refrigerator to 41 degrees. And remember, packaged pre-cooked foods such as taco meat or macaroni and cheese should always be thawed in advance to allow for quick batch cooking. By using forecasted servings as a guide for planning and preparing for batch cooking, you will ensure fresh quality meals are served to students.